Hello and welcome back to Big Jules Tech, your go-to place for everything tech and making life that little bit easier. So today we're going to have a quick look at the Osmo Mobile 3. I've gone for the combo pack. So obviously this is a gimbal review and an unboxing. So it's the gimbal for a smartphone to be able to use it whilst you're out and about to make things a little bit easier, a little bit smoother, and I'm going to see if it can replace the bigger things like the DJI Ronin S or the SC for the DSLRs. So let's get it unboxed, see exactly what comes in the kit. This one, like I say, is the combo. This comes with an additional carry case and tripod. There is a slightly cheaper version which you can get, which doesn't come with those, but still comes with the device itself, the strap, and other bits and pieces. So let's have a look exactly what we can get when we get this. So without damaging it too much, let's get rid of the cellophane. So let's have a look a little bit at the box real estate here that we've got. So as you can see here, this is it when it's obviously out with the smartphone attached. This is what the combo kit comprises of, including obviously the tripod and the carry case there. So nothing else on the side. On here, obviously, it talks about the DJI Mimo app, which you can use with this device to enable it to be able to track, to active track and things like that. So what we have in the box, as you can see here, we've got the Osmo Mobile 3, the carry case, the Osmo Grip tripod, power cable, storage pouch, and the wrist strap. So just a little bit of information there where you can get the Mimo app from. So Google Play and the App Store. And then there's some QR codes there to be able to make that a little bit easier. On the bottom, we obviously have some more manufacturing information and your serial number and barcodes. So let's have a look exactly what you get inside this box. So there is another little cheeky tab there. And this is how it comes packaged. So we've got the carry case, and we have what looks like potentially some wires. So I'll put that to one side. Quite an interesting way to box this up. How do you get into it? Right, give that a miss. Go to the easier thing, which is the carry case. Comes in a nice plastic bag. The Osmo Mobile 3 comes in this nice case, soft to the touch. Also has a pouch. It's not neoprene, but it's not too dissimilar. Obviously, packaging gel, and then in here we have the gimbal itself. So come back to that. Let's persevere with the unopenable box. There we go. So that is like that. And the instructions inside. Have a look at those in a second. We have USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And we have some what feels like foam pads. Here's the actual tripod, one of the additional parts with the DJI. So nice little tripod there, nice little grip. So all together. And what else do we have? We have a little, what feels like velvet style carry pouch. So there's exactly everything that you get provided in the box. So we've got the pouch, we've got the tripod, we've got some foam pads, we've got the wrist strap, we've got the Type-C, which this charges with the Type-C now connector, which is fantastic, makes it all nice and easy, hopefully for that quick charge. We've got some of the information and instructions, the carry case itself, and the device. So there you go. That's exactly everything that you get in the box. So I shall report back to you hopefully very soon with exactly how this works, what I think of it and how I find it. So thanks very much for watching. Just a quick unboxing today. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like and a thumbs up if you did, if you got anything out of it, i.e. how to open that box, which was an absolute nightmare. And hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.